volunteering at a Christmas charity. Look at all these people volunteering. It's incredible to see the community come together like this.
I know. It's so heartwarming. Plus, it feels great to be doing something meaningful during the holidays.
Totally. So, what's our task for today?
First, we're packing these food boxes. Canned goods, pasta, and some holiday treats. Then, we can help with the toy station.
Got it. Let's start with the cans. Pass me those soups over there.
Here you go. Oh, and these jars of peanut butter. They're heavy, so they should go at the bottom.
Smart thinking. By the way, did you notice the Christmas cards in the boxes? Such a thoughtful touch.
I love that idea. Imagine how happy the families will be when they see them.
For sure. Maybe we can write a few cards ourselves later. I'd love to add a personal message.
Me too. Okay, this box is done. How many more do we need to pack?
About 20, I think. Good thing we've got a system now.
True. Oh, did you see the hot chocolate stand outside? We definitely need to grab some later.
Yes, please. But first, let's check out the toy wrapping station after we're done here.
Agreed. They've got some adorable stuffed animals and board games over there.
I noticed. I hope we get to wrap one of those giant teddy bears.
Same. Oh, by the way, I heard they're organizing a holiday dinner for the families receiving these boxes.
That's amazing. Do you think we could help with that too?
We should ask. It'd be so rewarding to see everything come full circle.
Definitely. Okay, this box is ready. Let's grab some more supplies. Looks like we're running low on pasta.
Good catch. Oh, and don't forget to grab more candy canes for the treat bags.
Got it. You know, this might become a new holiday tradition for us.
I'm in. It's such a great way to spread the holiday spirit.
Christmas Market Adventure.
Wow, this market is absolutely magical. It feels like we've stepped into a Christmas postcard.
I know, right? The lights, the music, the smell of cinnamon, it's all so festive. Where should we start?
Let's hit the food stalls first. I can smell roasted chestnuts from here.
Oh, me too. Should we share a bag, or do you want your own?
Definitely my own. I'm not good at sharing when it comes to snacks.
Same. Okay. Roasted chestnuts first, and then we can check out those pretzels over there. They're huge.
Good plan. Look, they're selling mulled wine at that stand. Should we grab some to sip while we walk around?
Absolutely. Mulled wine is a must at a Christmas market. Should we get the classic or try the cranberry spiced one?
Cranberry spiced sounds interesting. Let's try that. Oh, and I see a hot chocolate booth next to it. Marshmallows and whipped cream?
You read my mind, but let's pace ourselves. I don't want a sugar crash halfway through the market.
Fair point. Hey, look at that booth. They have the cutest handmade ornaments. Should we pick out one for your tree?
Yes, that snowflake one is beautiful. What about this little Santa with the knitted hat?
Adorable. Let's get both. Do you think they'll personalize them?
I bet they will. Oh, look at that booth with the wreaths and garlands. Should we get one for your door?
That's a great idea. I love this one with the little pine cones and red ribbons. What do you think?
Perfect choice. And it'll smell amazing. Should we check out that stand with the candles next? I heard they're all handmade.
Definitely. I'm running low on candles anyway. Let's find one that smells like Christmas morning.
Here's one: pine, cinnamon, and a hint of vanilla. Smells amazing. Do you think it's too strong?
Not at all. It's perfect. Should we grab two? One for you and one for me?
Great idea. Okay, what's next? Oh, they're selling personalized stockings over there. Should we get matching ones?
Yes. We can get our names embroidered on them. What color are you thinking?
Red and white, classic Christmas vibes. Should we hang them at your place or mine?
Yours. You've got the cozy fireplace to match. Look, they're setting up for a caroling performance over there. Should we stay and watch?
Definitely. Caroling is one of the best parts of Christmas. Should we grab some fudge or toffee to snack on while we listen?
Yes, fudge for sure. Maybe a mix of chocolate and peppermint flavors?
Perfect. This market is so much fun. I feel like we're ticking off everything on the Christmas bucket list.
Same. Should we take some photos before we leave? The lights are so pretty.
Absolutely. Let's take one by the big Christmas tree and another by the gingerbread house display.
Great idea. This is turning into the perfect Christmas adventure. I'm so glad we came.
Me too. Best holiday outing ever. Planning a Christmas gift exchange.
I was thinking it'd be fun to do a gift exchange for Christmas this year. What do you think?
That's a great idea. Should we do Secret Santa or a white elephant?
Secret Santa is more personal. Plus, everyone gets a specific gift.
Agreed. How do we draw names?
I found an online generator. Everyone can get their assignment by email.
Perfect. Should we set a budget?
Yes, let's keep it around $30. It's reasonable but still enough for a nice gift.
Agreed. Should we suggest gift ideas or leave it open?
Maybe we can have everyone list a few things they'd like. It makes shopping easier.
Good idea. Should we set a theme, like cozy gifts or DIY items?
Cozy sounds great. Scarves, candles, hot chocolate kits, stuff like that.
Love it. When should we do the exchange?
How about the weekend before Christmas? Most people should be free.
Perfect. Should we make it a party with food and games?
Yes, we could do appetizers, desserts, and a holiday punch.
I can handle the desserts. Should we add a dress code?
Let's do ugly Christmas sweaters. It'll make it more fun.
Awesome. Should we include a small prize for the best sweater?
Great idea. Maybe a gift card or a festive mug.
Love it. Should we also play some holiday games, like Christmas trivia?
Yes, and maybe charades with holiday movie titles.
Perfect. I'm so excited for this. Everyone's going to love it.